the war of words between Kangana and Shiv Sena. And Kangana Ranaut, in fact, has hit back at Shiv Sena. Remember, a privilege motion has been moved against Kangana Ranaut by Pratap Sarnaik. And you also heard the Home Minister of Maharashtra say that Kangana's link to the drug racket will be investigated. And Kangana Ranaut, in fact, has hit back, is what we are being told. Listen in.
ये जो गाड़ी है और इसमें जो है क्रिमिनल यहाँ पर है और अब इसकी क्रिमिनल जो है और उनकी जो सिस्टर है वो यहाँ पर जाने से पहले कुछ एक मैसेज आराम से एक मैसेज मैम जाने से पहले मैम जिस तरह से संजय राउत जी के जो बयान आए उसको लेकर क्या कहना है आपका?
अभी हम लोग कुछ कहेंगे नहीं, हम लोग मुंबई जा रहे हैं। आप
जी मैम जिस तरह से वो कह रहे हैं कि महाराष्ट्र सरकार का पवन है, इसको लेकर क्या कहना है आपका?
All right. So, from what we could hear, Kangana Ranaut says she won't speak at the moment, and that she is on her way to Mumbai. But we do know how she is hit back at the Shiv Sena through her tweets on social media, on the BMC notice that was issued to her as far as her office in Mumbai is concerned, and now the Home Minister of Maharashtra saying that drug links, as far as Kangana's involvement is concerned, will also be interrogated. He took Adhyan Suman's name and said that Adhyan Suman had alleged that Kangana used to consume drugs, and that angle will also be looked into. Now, Kangana Ranaut, of course, questions were posed to her about the statements that are coming in from the Shiv Sena leaders, coming in from the Home Minister of Maharashtra. At this point in time, she isn't responding. She says, I'm going to Mumbai. And the BMC also waiting for Kangana Ranaut to come back to answer questions and concerns that it has raised on the construction of her office in Mumbai is concerned. Let's try and go across to Gurpreet, who's joining us with more details. Gurpreet, जहाँ तक मैं सुन पाई वो कह रही थी कि अभी मुंबई जा रही हैं, कुछ कहेंगी नहीं. क्या आपके पास कोई और जानकारी? Gurpreet, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. That since morning we have seen that there is a lot of deployment at our Manali residence, and all the senior police officials, they were present because they were trying to chop up the strategy that how Kangana Ranaut will be for Mumbai. That is what they were discussing, and what we have got at this point of time that she has just left from her house towards Chandigarh. We have also learned from the social that the flight has been booked from tomorrow from Chandigarh airport to Mumbai, and for that she is going to Chandigarh by road, and for that the heavy security has been made to her, and the security officers were present here. They were discussing about the strategy plan of how she will leave from Manali to Chandigarh. So all discussion was going on at the same time. If we can talk about the COVID report, she was also waiting for the COVID report because the test has been conducted yesterday, but the report is yet to come. So all these developments have been happening here. Yes, of course, that Kangana Ranaut has already into controversy because a lot of elections are coming from Maharashtra. At the same time, she is also...
Okay, Gurpreet, stay on with us. Let's also listen into the reactions that came in from the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Anil Deshmukh, and Pratap Sarnaik as well.
कंगना रुनावत जो है उसके ताल्लुकात या संबंध जो भी है शेखर सुमन का जो लड़का है अध्ययन सुमन, इनकी दोस्ती थी. और अध्ययन सुमन ने जो इंटरव्यू दिया उसमें उसने बताया कि कंगना रुनावत ये ड्रग लेती है, और उसी प्रकार मुझे भी उन्होंने कई बार जबरन ड्रग देने की कोशिश किया. इस प्रकार का निवेदन दोनों विधायक ने हमको दिया. इस बार की पूरी डिटेल हमारी मुंबई पुलिस चौकसी करेंगी.
अध्ययन सुमन ने ऐसा कहा है कि कंगना रनावत मेरी बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त है, मगर वो बेड पलंग के नीचे जो है नींबू मिर्ची और काली पुतलियाँ रखती थी, और साथ ही में ड्रग मुझे भी देती थी और खुद भी लेती थी. तो यही हम कहना चाहते हैं कि अध्ययन सुमन की जो आरोप है उसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी बिठाई जाए. अध्ययन सुमन अगर गलत बोलता है तो उसकी जांच होनी चाहिए. अगर वो गलत बोलता है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. मगर वो सच बोलता है तो कंगना जी ने कहाँ से ड्रग आके उसको दिया, वो ड्रग कौन से पैसे से वो लाती थी, वो ड्रग अगर लाती थी तो कहाँ से लेके आती थी, ये सभी की जाँच होनी चाहिए.
सभी की जांच होनी चाहिए, प्रताप सरनाइक कह रहे हैं. Many people believe this is only because Kangana Ranaut is questioning the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation is concerned. Remember how threats in fact were issued to Kangana Ranaut when in fact the Home Minister of Maharashtra also said that the way she is criticizing Mumbai, she has no right to come back to Mumbai, to stay in the state of Maharashtra or the city of Mumbai. Let's go across to Mohit Sharma now. Mohit, अब डिमांड हो रही है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए और खुद होम मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं कि ये जो पुराना मामला है, जब अध्ययन सुमन ने कुछ कहा था कंगना के बारे में, सब्सटेंस अब्यूज के बारे में, उसको अभी इंटेरोगेट किया जाएगा.
Well, absolutely, Swati. It does seem that the entire Maharashtra politics is now revolving around Kangana Ranaut. We've seen how there were counter points, counter statements coming into every tweet that Kangana Ranaut put out, or for that matter, any statement that she really had put out. And now what we are seeing is previous statements of various people around Kangana, and for that matter, her friends or previously her friends. All of their statements are also being thoroughly investigated now by none other than the Maharashtra Home Minister. Interestingly, Kangana Ranaut has also come out with a statement saying that she will definitely be going to Mumbai. There is nothing that could really stop her. We've seen how the actions which have been taken against Kangana Ranaut over the past few days. Ever since she got Y+ security, there had been a lot of condemnation from political fronts which had come to the fore, whether we talk about the Congress, NCP or other parties. There have been other statements also made on Kangana, specifically because of the fact that she had said that she does not know whether she can be secure in Mumbai or not anymore. Since then, we've seen only a list of rather a beeline of statements being made by senior most leaders of the Maharashtra government, of various Aghadi leaders rather, and all of them not just condemning Kangana's statement but also asking her to take back her statements and apologize further ahead. And now the Home Minister of Maharashtra has further gone ahead a step and even asked that previously made statements about Kangana's habits or addiction should also be probed into. So obviously the Maharashtra government clearly making sure that there can be some sort of a pressure on Kangana Ranaut, and the statements that she has made or will be making can somehow be stopped.
In fact, the BMC also has issued a notice to Kangana Ranaut. Stay on with us, Mohit. The Mumbai civic body has served notice to Kangana Ranaut and asked her to stop work, the construction work at Manikarnika Films office. BMC alleges unlawful construction in premises and asked Kangana to reply within 24 hours.
BMC has put notice outside the office of Kangana Ranaut, that is Manikarnika Productions at 5 Pali Hill, and you can see this notice clearly says that there are various illegal construction inside this premises, and hence Kangana Ranaut has been asked to reply within 24 hours, otherwise an action would be taken. Now you can clearly see there are various pointers here which have been made by the BMC saying that there are various illegal constructions and various change of design that has happened inside the premises that is not permitted. For example, the toilet has been unauthorizedly converted into office cabin on the ground floor. Kitchen is constructed in storeroom on ground floor, which is quite illegal. Now new toilets are illegally constructed beside staircase inside store and another parking area on the ground floor. So there are various pointers which have been put over here by the BMC, and they say that this all is illegal and Kangana Ranaut has been asked to reply within 24 hours, otherwise an action would be taken. Now this also comes in the background of the fact that we have seen that how Shiv Sena and Kangana Ranaut are in an ugly spat over Kangana Ranaut's remarks that Mumbai is like POK, and after that we saw that how Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has dared her to come to Mumbai, and now tomorrow Kangana Ranaut is coming to Mumbai. She will be landing here on 9th of September. We have to wait and watch how will she reply to this notice of the BMC, because Kangana Ranaut has also said that it is being done due to the political motives.
Okay, Mohit Sharma continues to be with us. Mohit Sharma, of course, there are allegations being leveled. The Aghadi government is being accused of, indulging in political vendetta by taking this action against Kangana Ranaut. When the BMC puts up a notice at her office, asks her to stop the construction work, and Kangana Ranaut herself has hit back. Kangana Ranaut खुद ये कह रही है कि ये सिर्फ इसीलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि वो अघाड़ी सरकार के खिलाफ बात कर रही हैं.
Well, Swati, it's not just Kangana Ranaut, but all in all, we've seen the same reaction coming in from the opposition parties as well. Anybody who understands politics would come out and completely argue the fact that the entire timing of this notice specifically is very off. It does seem that it's sort of a revenge politics that is underplay as we speak. Now, the kind of discrepancies at Kangana's office which have been mentioned go to the tune that the balcony of the office has been extended. There are certain designing flaws as well, something that was not originally as per the building plan. So all of those things are something that have now come to the fore. Obviously, Kangana's statements in the previous weeks have to be seen in the backdrop of this notice as well. And of course, Kangana is asking at this particular point whether or not it's a quid pro quo on the side of the Maharashtra government, just because she made these statements. Is she being served by such notices, and whether or not these will stop once she takes the side of the government. So all of these statements being made, all of these actions being made are definitely under question at this particular point. She would be making her way back to Mumbai tomorrow, and it remains to be seen what will happen then because
there is the
BMC
issue of quarantining as well. Mohit, I'll come back to you with more questions.